We are pleased to show you the 2018
BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system,
power tailgate,
power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.